Good afternoon, everyone. It is July 5th, the first class of July at Kyushu Institute of Technology in Iizuka. This is Wednesday, third period for English IC, 1C. Okay, let's take a look at what you have in front of us today. Nothing too difficult. As you can see here on class 12, this class description is about just doing a shadow talking warm-up and then getting ready for your final test. As I said before, your final test will be on these 2 days, the 26th and the 16th. The 26th will be your speaking test. The 16th will be your, very similar to your midterm test. It will be a test on Moodle. Again, testing your listening and reading and grammar and vocabulary, all of that. That will be on the last day, August 2nd. And from the last part of today, July 5th, we'll be looking at how to do your conversations. You have this week a reading quiz, and that reading quiz will be similar to the shadow talking that we're doing today. So the shadow talking that we're doing today should help you with the reading that you'll have to do. Also, I want you to do your reflection. Watch this video, think about it, think about, there are many things that you have to learn in English. You need to learn vocabulary, grammar, so many things, but that takes a very long time. To become good in any language takes a long time because vocabulary takes a long time to remember. Grammar takes a long time to say easily. But, oh, sorry, I think I'll lock this down. But being able to speak with a louder voice, that's just a switch. Suddenly you can speak with a louder voice. Turn the switch down, you can speak in a smaller voice. You don't need to study. You just make your voice bigger. And gestures, the same thing. For example, right now I'm going to use a lot of gestures. These gestures do not need to be making a lot of sense. You're just putting some empathy into what you're doing. That is also a switch. Here, no gestures. I'm not going to use any gestures when I speak right now. Now I'll use a lot of gestures. That takes no time to do. So I want you to watch this video. Think about how to make your communication in English and Japanese more powerful with more gestures. This is something that's about language in total, not just English. So get that done tonight. Do your reading quiz. Your reading quiz is due next Tuesday. Okay, so 6 days from today. You can take it 3 times, and I believe it's 15 minutes to try. Yeah, you've already done this before. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me here. Okay, thanks everyone. Let's have a good class.